Hello, everyone. I'd like to talk about cofactor expansion today. So this is one of the methods for finding determinant. So let's start. So cofactor expansion, we have the rule here. So ith row using cofactor is determinant of A and AI1, CI1, and so on, right? We have a cofactor expansion. Jth column is determinant of A, A1J, C1J, and so on. Where Cij is -1 to the I plus j and determinant of Aij. So Ij in this case is cross out row I, column J. So let's do that so that we understand what this means. All right. I brought up the problem here. So this is the 5 by determinant. Matrix, right? So we need to find the determinant by using cofactor expansion. So we're gonna think most zeros in row or columns. Okay, this is the easiest one. If we have most zeros, last zeros in column or row, so we are using one of the methods, Cij. This one I wrote down here, Cij, which is the I means row, and J is here is column, and then -1 I plus J, determinant of Jij, right? So Ij, we add them, means that it's like a plus minus sign. So plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, and so on, right? So this one talk about the sign here, okay? Now we have Ij means cross out I row and J column. Then we take the rest of them. So let's do that. Okay, which one is most zero in that case is, I can take a look, like row number 4. That's the most zero. It's a 4 zeros there, right? So let's write down row number 4. Okay, there is one non-zero, which is the 5, right? So this one, let's say that this will be A4 and column 3. So row number 4, column number 3, right? Okay, so let's write down A43. So can you see that? We are using row. Row is, we have to write down everything, but most of the columns part is 0, 0, 5, and 0, 0, right? So everything is 0, 0, right? Then we are using A43 and as a 5, right? So let me show you. So we are taking these 4, 3. So 4, 3 here. Oops. So let me just write down. A43, we have to have that, and C43, right? C43, which is -1 to the 43, determinant of A43, right? Means that row number 4, column number 3. Yes? Okay, we have A43, which is row 4, column 3, which is 5. And what's the C43 is, oh my God, it's plus, right? So, oops. So we have 4 plus 3. This one deal with the sign, right? Positive or negative. So in this case, negative. So we are going to get negative. And determinant of A43 means cross out for row number 4, column number 3. Okay, so cross out. Let me just copy this one. Copy here. Okay, in that case, row 4, column 3. Okay, row 4, column 3, cross out. Okay, let me see. Let me make it smaller. So that is, we are going to get 0, -1, -1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. -6, 0, 6, 8. Hold on 1 second. Am I correct? Yeah. Ugly. Let me write that better. -6. -6. Yeah. And we get -4, -1, 0, -3, right? Okay. All right. Now, let's take a look. Most is 0 again, right? So it's row number 2 has the most zeros. So let's take a look this one. And then which one is non-zero, which is the 1 there. So this will be row 4 and column 4, right? I'm sorry, oh my gosh. Row 2. I was thinking column 4 this way. Oops. Row 2, number 4, column 4, right? Okay, now we're gonna write down 8, 2, 4 and column 2, 4, right? So there will be -1, 2 plus 4. This one is deal with the sign, plus minus. And the determinant of 8 to 4. Yes? Okay. Now, 8 to 4, which is +1. But then remember, we have to have -5. Okay, so we have a +1. And then C24, which is positive. And determinant of 2, 4 means cross out. Cross out. Row 2, column 4, right? So row 2, column 4, we cross out. So this will be 0, -1, -1, -6, 0, 6, -4, -1, 0. Yeah. Correct me if I make a mistake, but you cannot correct me right now. Okay. So we have that. With the, wait a minute. Did I make a mistake? Yeah, we have a negative, yeah? Hold on 1 second. I made a mistake. -1 there, right? It's a +1, so negative. Yeah, I need you. Okay, this is the 8 to 4 is negative. Okay, now we get +5 then. So it will be +5. Okay, now I want to pick first column because every column has 0, every row has 1, 0. Yeah. So I picked just the first column. Then, because we always pick the row, I wanted to show that column 2, right? Okay. Since there is a 2 non-zero, how to do it, right? So let me bring up, it's a column. So we're gonna use the jth column, this one. We are using this one. Paste. Use this one. Since more non-zero, since more than 1 non-zero, we are using this one. Okay, Then what do you get? So we will have this one, A11, C11 plus A21, C21 plus A31, C31. Okay, 811. Look, this is 811. This is 821, 831, right? So 811 has 0, so it will be 0. 821, which is we get negative 6. And C21, we will use that things. Negative 1, the sign, and then 2 plus 1, because C21 and determinant of cross out 2 and 1. Go to column 1, right? Plus 831. 831 is negative 4. And C31 means negative 1, 3 plus 1, determinant of 831. Okay. All right. This means 5. And let's just ignore the 0. Okay. This one, negative power. So negative, which is positive, right? So we will get positive 6. So determinant of 8 to 1 means we cross out to 1. So means that column row 2, column 1, right? So we will get negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, 0. And look, this is a positive, this is negative. So we get negative 4. And the determinant of 8, 3, 1, that is, okay, let's see, 3, 1. So it will be a little bit messy because I cannot erase this one. So 3, 1. Row 3, 1. So we will get, okay, that, right? So we will get negative 1, negative 1, 0, 6. All right? Okay, this will be determinant A, 3, 1. Cross out 3, 1. That means. Okay, now, I think we almost done. It's a 5, 6, 0, minus, and positive 1. So negative 1. Yeah. And we have a negative 4 and negative 6 and 0, right? Okay. So we have 5, negative 6, and positive 24. We get 5 and 18, which is 90. Okay. All right. I hope you understand this. And in the exam,